Today's video is about how to link every worksheet to a master sheet in Excel. Over here, I have the main sheet of the tasty ice cream shop, and I have links to 4 different sheets in the same workbook. And if I click on any of these links, I'll be taken to that particular worksheet. So if I click on product description, the control passes over to the first cell in the product description worksheet. Going back to the main sheet, I can click on sales, I'll go to the sales page. I can click on inventory, I'll go to the inventory page and charts. So in this video, I'll show you how to create these links. To create these links, I need to use the hyperlink formula. And there are 2 methods to do this. One is by typing the page name that you want to be displayed, and the other is by cell referencing. So let's look at how we can build these hyperlinks. I'll go to insert function and I'll search for the hyperlink formula. I'll select hyperlink, and as soon as I select hyperlink, I get a description of what this formula is. It creates a shortcut or jump that opens a document stored on your hard drive, network server, or on the internet. Now there are 2 arguments to the hyperlink function. One is the link location, and the link location is the text giving the path and file name to the document to be opened, a hard drive location, UNC address, or URL path. So for our first hyperlink, which we'll create for the product description, I'll click on the link location and then go to the product description spreadsheet. And I want the control to be passed on to this sheet's first cell. So I'm going to select A1. And the next argument is the friendly name. Now I want the link to be displayed as product description. So I'll type product description and click OK. Now I have a basic link ready, but there is a problem with this link. If I click on this link, nothing happens. It's not taking me to the A1 cell in the product description worksheet, even though my hyperlink formula is correct. Now the reason for that is, whenever you are linking within a workbook, you need to slightly modify the first argument. So I'll go back to insert function again, and under link location, I need to add something. So at the beginning of this path, I'll add quotation, hash, and at the end of the path, quotation closed, and then hit OK. Now if I go and click on the link, it works perfectly fine. Now that we have created the basic link, now let's look at how to create the link with the help of cell referencing. So I'll again go to insert function, hyperlink, link location. For my second sheet is sales. So I'll go to sales, A1, and here I'll add the extra text, quotation open, hash, closed. And in the friendly name, I'm going to reference cell C7 and hit OK. And if I click on this, it'll take me to the sales page. Now for all purposes, I can copy this formula and paste it down below. But do remember to change the link locations. So for the inventory hyperlink, I need to go and change the path from sales to inventory. Same for charts. And let's make sure the links are working. So I'll click on inventory and I go to the inventory page. Same with charts. Now to completely make sure that the navigation within this workbook is based on hyperlinks, let's add a back button in each of these 4 sheets to take control back to the main sheet. So let's add a back button to the product description page. I'll select A1, and in this I'll start typing the hyperlink formula, and in the link location I'll give the path for, let's say, C5, so that control always passes to this cell whenever I click the back button. I'll also add the extra text, quotation mark, hash, close, and then the friendly name. Let's just call it back to main, and bracket close. And if I click on this cell, it takes me back to the main page. So I've created this circle loop between the main sheet and the product description sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this formula and paste it in the first cell of every page. And there you have it. I have my back button from each page to the main page. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. And if you like the video, give a like and consider subscribing.